afternoon, everyone. I am here to show the PPT based on the given topic disaster management. First of all, we will learn what is disaster management and the precautions that are to be taken while when the disaster management take place on our place. So let us start. Disaster management is also known as emergency management. Is the organization and management of the resources and the responsibility for the dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergency. The aim is to reduce the harmful effect of all hazards including disaster is known as disaster management. Okay, let's move. Now, earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. Earthquakes occur all the time, all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They cause immense notice. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They cause immense damage to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. There can be a great loss to life and property. Earthquake can cause floods, landslides, and tsunami. And a major tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004. All the coastal areas around the ocean suffered huge losses. Since the earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, the boundary of the plates are weak zones where the earthquakes are likely to occur. These weak zones are also known as seismic or fault zone. In India, the areas most threatened and Kashmir, western and central Himalayas, the whole of north, east run of Kutch, Rajasthan and the Indo-Gangetic plain. Some areas of South India are also fall in danger zone. Richter scale. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms called the Richter scales. Really destructive earthquake have magnitude have higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Both Bhuj and Kashmir had magnitude greater than 7. Some measures to protect from earthquake. If you are at home, take shelter under the table till the shaking stop. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head from pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees, and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. Earthquake. Three states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike: Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, and Assam. Awareness when earthquake strikes among people. Try to get away from the tall buildings, bridges, power lines, streets, line, trees as soon as possible. If you are in car, then go to a safe location and stop. Most disturbing image of Bhuj earthquake in 2001. As you can see that in Gujarat, run of in Gujarat of Bhuj that earthquake occurred. You can see the buildings have struck down because of the earthquake. A 16 years old boy was killed and his father was injured when the two fell several feet down on the step hillside in restriction because of the earthquake. Jammu and Kashmir earthquake 2015. Thank you for being a part of this PPT. My name Sailbi Rawal. Thank you very much. Okay, let's